everybody. We are gonna hop right in. I have an unboxing today. We have an unboxing from Coach Outlet. It's my birthday month and my plan was to buy the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 in Damier Ebene, brand new from Louis Vuitton, maybe online, maybe in store. That was my plan for my birthday this year. But as you guys know from one of my previous videos, this month I paid down, it's about to be $8,000 worth of debt that we accumulated this year. Monday, I think I'll probably hit 8,000. And we don't have a couch yet in our living room. We just moved. So imagine we come across the couch that we want and I tell my husband, oh yeah, we still can't get it because I kind of bought a bag with the money. No. So I wanted that bag, and specifically the Louis Vuitton one, because I like the Damier Ebene look. I like the Louis Vuitton canvas, and I like the way the Speedy B25, the slouch of that canvas, I like that slouch of it, so I kind of wanted to get it, but I couldn't get it. Not this month, maybe Christmas, maybe never, who knows. But you guys know I'm crazy about the floral collection. So Coach Outlet released their own floral collection, and MJ the Gray put me onto it through her community tab. And I originally went to just see what they offered because I liked the white background with the floral on their camera bag. And I was like, I kind of want a camera bag, so let me go see how it is. And as I was browsing, I was like, no, I don't really gravitate towards white bags. And I don't know, the camera bag might just be something I regret getting. And as I was going, I see this mini Rowan, and it had the signature canvas with floral. And I was like, oh, that's great. So I was looking and I was like going through, I was like, oh, it might be too small. I think I might want something bigger in a Satchel September, right? I kept scrolling, and this bag pops up. So if you've been browsing the Coach website or Coach Outlet website, you know what this is. This is my first Rowan. And this is, I guess, one of the more famous staple bags of the Coach Outlet. And I was so excited to get it. This is one of the bags that I felt was like made for me because it was floral. And I was looking for more of a satchel style, speedy style. And so I used my birthday discount on this bag. So I think this bag is like $156, which is a steal in itself. Okay, for buying a big handbag like this. I say it's big. Big bag girls say it's small, and now they have the large Rowan on the Coach website and they love it. But this is like a bigger bag for me, like a medium-sized bag. And I felt like it was made for me because it had, you know, the brown with the black accents. Like the handle is black, the zipper is black, and it had the signature canvas, which I don't really like signature and logo all over it, but for some reason, it might just be me growing as a coachee, but I really love this. So I did open the box yesterday just to make sure it was okay, but I didn't unwrap it yet. So it was like late at night. I had been looking at it throughout the day, and I didn't want to make an impulse purchase because I wasn't planning on buying another bag, but for some reason, I felt like this bag was specifically made for me. Like if Coach wanted me to buy a Rowan, this is the Rowan to make because it has the floral and the black. And I thought it would be good to wear in the fall with all my floral accents. So it's not like you can hit up the Coach Boutique and find a better quality version of the Rowan. This is actually really good quality. I find that this hardware in particular feels better than it did on my Outlet Coach Fat bag. The hardware on it at least was very much giving Outlet. It felt more lightweight, more plastic-y, and less like metal. This feels like metal. It's not as heavy as the Outlet wear, but it does feel like metal. It doesn't feel cheap at all. The canvas on this is what kind of put me off on the Rowan, because the Louis Vuitton is more malleable and has that slouch. Once it starts to get worn in, it starts to slouch a little bit and lays like kind of flat when empty against your body, and that's the look I was looking for. It's stiffer than I would say the Louis Vuitton one is, if that makes sense. There's no feet on this. I remember it used to be feet. This is the regular size Rowan. It's not the mini. There's no feet. There's no leather strip, and it is the signature canvas. I can't believe I'm actually saying that because I usually don't like the C's and everything on it. I don't like the LV monogram or anything like that. But I am so happy with this. And right now I'm just in, you saw my loungewear haul, I'm in that same shirt and the beige sweats right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking this off. And I'm so freaking excited to have it. I was up late. I think I ordered this at around 10 or 11 that night that MJ posted that they had dropped the floral collection at the outlet. And I just was not expecting to come across this bag, and there's not very many bags that grab my heart so much that I'm willing to impulse buy it and get it immediately. I like to sit on my purchases, and I don't like to go into the hype. And when I was seeing other people, after I bought it, I saw a few people the next day talk about this particular satchel. I saw people post pictures of this and like go to the outlet and say, like, some people said it was cute, some people didn't like the bags that came out with the floral. But this one was like, this was the only one that really got to me, and I'm happy that it was this bigger size and not just the mini Rowan. I feel like when I unbox something like this is my first like bandolier kind of style. I do wish that I had like the Dooney and Burke whip stitch handles, because I think that'll make it even more comfortable. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now. Like I was not expecting them to make a Rowan that was like fit for me and my style, but I'm so happy. And I'm so happy that it came in the canvas, because that's exactly what I was looking for. I'm not a fan of the Coach Outlet leather, except the Faye. That's very soft. I was very impressed by the Coach Faye leather, because when I go in there and I touch like the other bags, sometimes I'm like, it doesn't feel like leather, but that one felt really good. So I'm happy. I'm so happy that they came out with this. I feel like I can wear my florals in the fall because it has the brown background with the handles are black. The zipper pull is black. Actually, the strap is, I'm gonna have to adjust this because it's hanging a little bit too long. I tried it on. This, even the zipper has like the detail that says Coach right there. It says Coach New York on the zipper. I love the little details that they do to their bags. Coach on the sides of this hardware. They're just brilliant when it comes to their branding. Of course, I don't really like the outlet logo, but against the brown, you can't really see it. I would prefer to have like a tiny little C instead of like Coach Horse and Carriage, but tell me this isn't a great bag. I know printed bags aren't for everybody. It's not for me most of the time, but the floral, I feel like it is really my jam. So I'm gonna try this on for you. I just have on some of my loungewear that I recently bought, and it's hanging a little bit low, so I will have to adjust it. But this is like a little mod shot of how it looks. I feel like it's so good. It's so good, like, oh, it's just so good. Like casual, year-round kind of a bag. For, I think I paid like, after my discount, my birthday discount was like $143 for like this medium-sized satchel bag. Oh, it's so good. It's so good, I love it. So I haven't actually looked at the inside of a Rowan before, so zipper's really nice. It's stuffed. Take the stuffing out. I'm so excited for this bag. One thing I've noticed about myself as I've been on this journey is I like to hop in my bags immediately. I made the mistake in the very beginning of lying bags, tucking them back in the box and putting away for an occasion in which I could wear it. And that occasion never actually came. So a lot of those bags in the beginning I wanted to sell, and I did sell because they were just sitting around for too long. But bags that suit my lifestyle and I know I can like wear day to day, I love to hop in them immediately. I'm still in my swing zip dupe right now, so hopefully soon I can hop into it if I don't right now. But the inside of the Rowan, it has like this beautiful like coffee color material on the inside. The material doesn't actually feel like cheap like you would expect for outlet, so I'm kind of impressed for this bag. And I think it's because it's like a signature outlet bag that it has to be of a better quality than you like the outlet bags that kind of like cycle through. But it has like this back pocket here, like a slip back pocket. Then it also has a zipper back pocket right here. And the zipper is actually really smooth on there also. I'm taking all of this off, dude, because I'm keeping it. This is not going anywhere. I've been kind of intrigued with discovering bags of like lower cost, like the outlet bags. I've been kind of intrigued with it, and especially after watching Mom Ambition's video. She released 2, I believe, on how Coach Outlet and Coach is merging into more of one, so it can make it more convenient for shoppers to find like boutique items in that outlet and maybe even outlet items in the boutique. I noticed, of course, that the prices have been rising on the outlet, but I've also noticed that the website has changed, where the interface of the website has been looking more like the Coach Boutique website. So I've noticed like little changes happening here and there when it comes to the websites and things. So I've actually found that to be more convenient, because a lot of the times I can get to a Coach outlet faster than the retail. It just makes it more convenient to like shop in person instead of having to order and try everything online and then go through that whole process of mailing it back and things. I hate that. I would rather go in and try it. Okay, so for those of you guys who are familiar with me by now and my channel and my style, don't you look at this bag and say that's a Dory bag? Like, doesn't it just look like something I would buy? Here is how it looks with, I only have one accessory with me, but the retail wristlet, I think it just looks so bomb. I think I could wear this like all year. It could come into the fall, it can go into the spring, and I think it's the perfect pairing, because I do have the Floral quilted tabby, as you guys know, but it's like, it's a smaller bag. So if I want something, but I want to wear my floral print, I can put everything in this bag, everything, even a change of clothes for my son, and it'll still have room. So I'm surprised people call this a small bag, but if you're a huge bag girl, this is probably small for you, but this is like a medium size bag for me. So overall, like, yeah, I'm really happy that I got this. I think I was gonna pay like, what is it? The Speedy 25 brand new is like $1,800. And that's a price that I can stomach for luxury. I think I paid that pre-love for my YSL Nikki, $140. Like, take it. And it's such good quality that I don't feel like I'm cheaping out, I guess. Like, yeah, I don't have like the LV name and like the exact print that I wanted from the Damier Ben, but I think this one made me more excited because it is one of those stand out bags that makes me look a little bit different from the norm. So I really do like it. I like that it has the gold accent. It is just so good. And I've been trying to not purchase bags like the same style in different colors, but this might be one that I get another one in, because I am really, really happy with the way this looks. I'm happy with the way it feels. Yeah, I probably won't get the slouch from it, but that's fine. Another satchel I've been looking for, of course, is the Doody and Burke satchel. That's like a classic one, and that is one of the bags that my husband went crazy for when we were in the Dooney store. He's like, now that's a bag that I like. And he just kept petting the Florentine leather. It was like the natural Florentine satchel. He was like, that's good, you should get one of those. But I haven't been able to pull the trigger. I don't know if I'm not ready for it or if I haven't found the right color or what it is, but hopefully before the end of the year, I'll find the one that I want and pull the trigger. They also released a camo version of this bag that's really attractive. I've seen people pick up the SLGs, and I think Ola May has the satchel as well, the Rowan as well. And what I noticed was it has the signature C's all through it as well, but because it's camo, it's like very faint, and it just adds like an extra element to the camo. And I just thought it was just so good. I'm not really into camouflage. You know, my husband is in the military, so he's just kind of over it. He doesn't want anything like camo unless he's going to work. He's just like, whatever, dude. But that one was really good. There's another one that's like a pale color, like a whitish color of this bag that has the signature C's that I almost got before I saw this one. So I'm thinking about it. But this one, I just think it is going to be such a good look if I'm matchy-matchy, which I probably will be with this bag, and using these together. Oh my God, you guys, I am getting so excited. I can't wait to hop in. And I like how sporty it looks. Put on some cute sneakers and just head out, and I still look really nice, even though I'm in like things that otherwise will probably be considered around the house clothes or pajamas. I think this kind of bag kind of elevates the whole t-shirt and sweats look. So yeah, overall, I'm really happy with this Rowan. I'm glad I decided to go ahead and try to get it and get one for myself, because I have visited Coach Outlet before and I wasn't really pressed to get a Rowan. I didn't really care for the way it felt, but I think it was all about finding a design that really spoke to me, that made me really excited to buy it. And it's been a while that I have been just like anxiously waiting for a bag to arrive, because I haven't been finding bags that just pulled at my heartstrings like that. And I ordered this and it came in like 2-3 days. It was supposed to come tomorrow, but it actually came like 2 days early. So I am so excited. I'm loving the black accents with the gold and everything like that. And I'm super excited about the Rowans now. And I wouldn't be surprised if I go ahead and get another one. And I think it is a really good alternative to the Louis Vuitton Speedy for an absolute fraction of the price. I paid $143. I think it retails for $154, and of course, you know, you might get a discount or coupons or whatever. And the quality for money, like the complete value for money, is just outstanding. So I don't know. What do you guys think of this particular bag with the print? I know prints aren't for everybody. I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for subscribing. For everybody who recently subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for helping my channel grow. I appreciate it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.